In this video, I'm going to be covering another high-paying job lead that I just came across. So previously, I covered a high-paying job lead at this company. They were paying just over $1,200 per week. So today, they posted another brand new high-paying job lead, and this one is going to be paying almost double what the previous job was paying. So for this one, you could be making close to $2,000 per week. So be sure to stick around to the very end of this video because again, really high paying job lead today. And this job was posted, depending on when you're watching this video, either today or yesterday. So again, this is a brand new high paying job lead. So be sure to stick around to the very end. Also, I'll cover some other job leads that you may have missed if you haven't already, or if you weren't subscribed to my other channel, which is the work from home channel. Actually, that's this channel right here, the work from home channel. And this is where I'm currently posting the highest paying remote work from home job leads that I could find online. So if you look at some of my recent previous videos, you'll realize that these jobs are indeed higher paying than the average for the type of jobs that they are. So if you look at beginner friendly jobs here, I mean, get paid $20 per hour working from home, perfect for beginners. Now, while $20 per hour is definitely not a high paying job lead, for a beginner, it is if you have no experience, no college degree, and you're trying to get your first job or your first remote work from home job. Most companies or most jobs that you find on YouTube or if you search online are gonna be paying you $11 per hour, $12 per hour. I mean, $15 per hour, and probably that's the most you'll make. This is probably more realistic here. No experience needed, make $16 per hour, entry level job working as a travel agent. So this is what you'll most likely find, but from time to time, I'll find jobs paying $20 per hour or $23 per hour. In this case, no experience needed, make $23 working from home. So really good entry-level positions here. Now, if you're looking for something advanced where you can make more money, if you do have a college degree and you do have experience, then you can look at some of the other high-paying jobs. Like, for example, I covered jobs at Netflix paying almost $4,000 per week. Jobs at the Morning Brew making over $1,500 per week. So again, really good, or some really good high paying positions are covered here from time to time. Now, I'm not always able to find high paying job leads every single day. So this is why it's very important that you go over to this channel and subscribe. But more importantly, when you do subscribe, be sure to tap the notification bell right here. Turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I do find a high paying job lead and I post a video, then you actually get that notification in real time. As I covered some jobs, probably about 4 in the past week, and every single time the job listings were pulled the very same day because of the amount of people applying. So again, if you want to land a high paying remote work from home job opportunity, you definitely want to see these job leads as soon as I'm able to find them. So with that said, let's dive into the job leads for today. So first one is actually going to be this job right here. It is a customer service representative, national remote. So you could do this from just about anywhere. So right off the bat, this job is paying anywhere from $16 to $28 per hour. And this depends on your location, your work experience, any certifications, and other things as well. But you could make up to $28 per hour. Now, I did cover a position just like this before, but the other one was posted, I think, 2 days ago. This one is brand new. So if you weren't able to apply for that position, you can apply for this one since they are hiring again, or they opened up another listing for basically the same type of job here. Also, for this job, you do get paid training. So they do offer 4 to 6 weeks off on the job training, and this will be virtual training since you're working from home remotely. Now, quickly, just to go through this job, just in case you missed out on the previous video, primary responsibilities here would be to answer a high volume of calls from patients or their representative regarding the Alliance program here. Also contact patients for a variety of reasons, including but not limited to explaining the program, explaining and obtaining a signed advanced beneficiary notice, obtaining prepayment when required, also pre-collection calls to patients who have not paid their invoices, evaluate and respond to all aspects of written billing inquiries and updating invoices, research, troubleshoot, and resolve complex billing issues, update patient spreadsheets, maintain all compliance and HIPAA regulations at all times, ability to work in a fast-paced environment, ability to meet quality standards, ability to meet production standards, ability to handle other projects as assigned. And here, all you really need is a high school diploma, must be 18 years of age or older, 2 years of customer service experience or experience in a medical office, healthcare call center, or office setting analyzing and solving customer problems. So a couple of ways that you could get into this job. Also familiarity with computer and Windows PC applications, which includes the ability to learn new and complex computer system applications, ability to work Monday to Friday during normal business hours, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. As for preferred qualifications, prior healthcare experience, medical terminology experience, data entry experience, proficient in translating healthcare related jargon and complex processes into simple step-by-step instructions. Also knowledge of billing, finance, and eligibility processes, practices, and concepts, and also bilingual fluency in English and Spanish. Now these are preferred qualifications, so you don't need to have these, but if you do, then that would give you a competitive edge when applying here. Also need to have a dedicated work area that is separated from your living area because they want to have information privacy here, and you also need to live in a location where you can receive their approved high-speed internet connection or leverage an existing high-speed internet service. So basically you just need high-speed internet for this job, and then they have some soft skills here as well. Also, you do get some really good benefits working at this company, so this is something to look into. Link down below. Now for the other position, this is going to be at Optum again, but this is the senior customer service representative. Now for this one, it is full-time remote as well, but they're offering 6 weeks of training for this position. So job requirements are going to be kind of the same, but just slightly different because this one is a senior position. So primary responsibilities here would be answer a high volume of calls from patients or their representative, process adjustments, refund transfer bills, mail returns, and perform manual sales, evaluate and respond to all aspects of written billing inquiries, research, troubleshoot, and resolve complex billing issues and customer complaints, maintain tracking log of all escalated patient correspondence, ability to perform all aspects of billing customer service as needed, may be a certified medical coder, thorough navigation of both Quest billing system and the web, maintain all compliance and HIPAA regulation at all times. And required qualifications here would include high school diploma, must be 18 years of age and older, kind of the same thing as the other job. And for preferred qualifications, kind of the same thing as the other job as well. So if you apply for the other one, then you could also apply for this position as well, because the qualifications and the requirements are pretty much just the same. The only difference is this one pays a bit more. So the other job was $16 to $28 per hour. This one goes up to $32 per hour. So you're making slightly more here. And again, you will get some really good benefits here as well. Now it does state here that this will be posted for a minimum of 2 business days or until a sufficient candidate pool has been collected, and then job posting may come down early due to volume of applicants. So this is what I was referring to before. Sometimes I post these videos, really good positions don't require a lot and they pay really well, but the job listings may be pulled early if a lot of people are applying. So normally maybe they get, like a couple hundred applicants for this position. But when we cover these positions here and they get, a couple hundred people applying within just a few hours, then naturally they'll pull the job listing because they'll be able to select someone from that pool. So that's why it's really important that you go ahead and subscribe to the Work From Home channel and also tap the notification bell. That way you always get the updates in real time whenever I post new high-paying job leads. Also, just want to remind you guys off some other positions that I covered here that you may have missed out on. So one was a part-time position at Rent the Runway. Now this is not a high-paying job lead. It's only paying around $16 per hour or $14 per hour depending on your location, but it is a remote work from home job. But it's an easy job to get into and also really flexible. They have a couple of shift options that you could choose from. So 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., 1 p.m. to 5 p.m., 2 p.m. to 6 p.m., 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. You may be able to do overtime here as well. And you also do paid training, 4 weeks off paid virtual training. So this is a really good opportunity for anyone that's looking for their first work from home job or a beginner friendly work from home job. Also, other positions I covered at Working Solutions, covered about 4 positions in the past week. Most of those positions are gone, but there is another brand new position that just opened up probably a day ago. This was also covered on the Work From Home channel. This is a bookkeeping software support position, and this one is paying $20 per hour. So again, be sure to go over to that channel, but these are some high paying job leads that you may have missed out on that you could still apply for. Now, if you guys are struggling with your resume or landing interviews, maybe your resume needs work, or you're just not good with creating resumes, or you're just not landing any interviews, be sure to check out this resource right here, the Pro Resume Templates, which are professionally done, eye-catching and interview landing resume templates. And they're all optimized for the ATS system, which simply means that now your resume or your job application won't simply be discarded, won't be filtered out by the system. Now it actually stands a chance at making it to a real human for review. And included here are 3 resume templates. They come broken down into sections with section by section instructions. Also matching cover letter templates broken down into sections with instructions as well. And so you can customize these while everything still remains ATS compliant. Also, you could use all 3 templates, or you pick the one you like the most and use it, or you could also use the instructions to create your own custom ATS optimized resume template. So really flexible as to what you could do with this template kit right here. Also 3 matching reference pages, 3 matching thank you letters. Again, everything is fully customizable. You can customize these using Google Docs, which is free. Don't need to pay for any software like Microsoft Office or any other type of paid subscription software. And you can edit these on any device, so MacBook, PC, laptop, smartphone, which could be Android, iPhone, tablet, iPad, smart TV. Doesn't really matter. As long as you have a browser and internet connection, you can edit these templates really quickly. Also, there is a video here, a screen recording of me showing you guys exactly how to edit these templates very quickly. So again, if you are struggling and you need help, this resource is here and link is down below. Now, for those of you guys who've never heard about Optum before, pretty big company here. I was able to find them on Glassdoor. They have a ton of reviews and a ton of info here on Glassdoor. So if you want some info, you could go over to Glassdoor. You could check out some of the reviews and see what people had to say about working here. So as you can see here, they have over 13,000 reviews. Overall rating is 3.5 out of 5 stars. So this does fall in line with the industry average, which is 2.69 to 4.03. Also over 26,000 reported salaries. So a lot of info here about this company. So if you do wanna see what interview questions are like, or you wanna see what people reported as a salary for different type of jobs, or you just wanna read some reviews about this company, then you can definitely find a lot of info here on Glassdoor. If you look at a customer service representative, they're making around $40,000 per year based on over 200 reported salaries, up to $45,000 per year, which falls in line with the salary range that we saw on those job postings. But for a senior position, you could probably search for that. That would definitely be paying a bit more. But again, a really good company to work for. You could take a look at some of the reviews and see what people had to say about working here, but really well-known company, usually having jobs in healthcare. So with all that covered, all the best in landing that dream remote work from home job that pays you a ton, gives you a ton of benefits and all the flexibility that you're searching for. And I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.